So today I'm going to be learning how to make salmon. And if you guys don't know how to make salmon, this is the perfect video. So when you get your salmon, you will add some salt and pepper. And on the pan, you have to add butter and oil. And over here, it's called Pig in a Blanket. So all you need is hot dogs and croissant. It's really cold. And this, so how to make it is you make a triangle, like upside down, like this, shaped as a pizza, like this. And when you do that, you put your hot dog right here in the big side of the triangle. And then you roll it up, and then you put it on the tray. And on the tray, there's a pig in a blanket on this tray.
เอาไปไว้ใส่เดี๋ยวเราเอาไปใส่
So you need to wait until the oven heats up, and then this is the oven. Wow. Yes, I love salmon. Yes, it's really good. It is so good. If you haven't tried salmon, make sure to try it. It's at Safeway and Lucky's. And if you're really close to Lucky's or Safeway, make sure to go there and try to go to the freezers and find the salmon. It is super tasty. It's really good. Subscribe, like, and share, hit the bell button, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, guys!